In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages not loading. First thing you need to do is simply go to your messages. So if you click at the top right, here's your messages. The first thing you can try is simply scrolling down, because this can load the messages. So if you scroll and this still doesn't load messages, then check your internet. If your internet is not connected, make sure you're connected and make sure it's a strong connection. And then the last thing you can do is check if Instagram needs updating. So go to Play Store and check if it does need updating. Make sure you update it. And one last thing is to go to the phone settings and search for apps. So inside of phone settings, search for apps, and inside of apps, search for Instagram. And here go to storage and clear cache, clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal messages or media in Instagram. So after you do this step, hopefully your issue should be fixed and there won't be any more glitches in your Instagram. That's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.